So today we're going to talk about adverbs of frequency. For example, always, usually, often, sometimes, rarely, and never. So looking to the right of the line where we have 100% of the time, if I do something 100% of the time, it's something I do always. So, for example, I always have a cup of tea in the morning. Next, we have something I do 80% of the time. This is usually. I usually have a croissant with my cup of tea. Then we have 70% of the time, and that's often. I often go for a walk after breakfast. When we get to 50% of the time, that's about half the time, isn't it? So it's sometimes. Sometimes I take my dog with me on my walk. Now we're at 20% of the time, so we're getting less often now. And so we're going to say rarely. For example, I rarely go for a walk if it's windy. And what about 0% of the time? Yes, that's never. I never go for a walk if it's raining. So how are the sentences arranged? When we're using the verb be, it comes before the adverb of frequency. So for example, she is always tired. They are often late. With any other verb, it's switched round. We have the adverb of frequency first and then the verb. For example, I always go to my classes. They never arrive on time. So just follow that one simple rule. Adverbs of frequency usually go before the main verb, except when you're using the verb to be, when they come after.